A very good evening to everyone. For today's Excel training, I'll be teaching you on how to get the raw data from time management system FingerTech to convert the date and time to a more readable format. So basically, you can see that from column A till column E, these are all the raw data from the FingerTech time management system that captures all the informations from the staff who comes to work and also staff that goes out during their lunchtime and then during their break time. So basically from here itself, column B itself, it shows the date and time without any informations that in a readable form. But if you check on the raw data itself, you can see for this row number 2, 2024 stands for the year, and then 01 stands for the month, and then 03 is the day, followed by the time 06, 46, 32. So this would be the hour, minute, and then seconds, meaning this would be 6:46.32 seconds in the morning. So basically, I would like to break up the dates first. Okay, to break up the dates, we need to use the left function. All right, so you put the left function and then click on B2, and then we want to take out the date. Okay, so the date at the place at B2 is actually 8 characters. Number of characters here, is it? So we put it 8. Press enter. So you can see that this date, okay, we break it up first. Okay, then after that you copy it to the last row of the records. There's quite a number of records here. Okay, so it's until 454. Okay, then scroll it up again. Just do a comparison whether everything is correct or not. Okay, 20240103 correct. So we go to the other numbers. 20240104, which is correct. So from there itself, this date itself, all the date, the month and the day itself, right? It is having 8 characters, which is quite hard for a normal layman person to know. Okay, so now I want to convert this date to become easy to understand with the date of day, month, and year. So how to do this is that we use the function date. So again equals date, and then we also use the left function, and after that we click on the G2, and then 4 characters of the year, and then key in function of mid, click on G2 again. Mid here is that now we want to find the month. The month of 01 starts in the character of 5, and then with 2 characters that we want to appear out for the month, comma, and then we key in right, then click on G2 again, and then 2 characters for the day. Press enter. Okay, so basically you can see that this is 3rd of January 2024. So to copy all the records, you can use the bottom right and then double click, and all the informations will be appearing out. So we just do a random checking. Let's say I take on row 8 here. This is 4th of January 2024, which is correct. We take another one. Let's say we take row 20. This will be 5th of January 2024. So it seems to be correct. And then we go for the time. So to break the time, which is these 6 characters here, right? Okay, we need to use the right function. But bear in mind, if we put 6 characters, sometimes it's not coming up the 6 characters. For the time here itself, because there are spaces, so we need to put the number of characters 8. Okay, so basically from here we use the right function, click on B2, and then we put 8 characters, number of characters. You can see that the time appears. Why we put 8 instead of 6? Okay, let's say I put the characters 6, enter. You can see that only 4 characters appears only. So meaning that if we put 6, okay, it doesn't comes up the time of these 6 characters. Okay, it's because there are spaces. So we need to put these as number of characters as 8. All right. So from here itself, you want to copy all the records at the bottom right. Just click double on your mouse, and then all the time breaks will appearing up. So basically, you just do a comparison to check and see. This is 064632. All right. So basically, the time here itself with the 6 characters, we want to break it up with a semicolon. Okay. So it is more easier for you to see based on the time that usually a normal layman terms will see. So 06 semicolon 48 semicolon 32. Okay. So this would be 6:46 a.m. in the morning. So what is the formula for this? You need to use the left function and the mid function, and then from there itself you have to put 2 semicolons in between to get the time to be separated out by the month. But the sorry, to be separated out by the hour, minutes, and also the second. I hope this information helps you to convert the TMS raw data of the date time to be a more readable format for you to perform your data massaging to be presented to the management. The next one would be for here itself, I have put down the formulas on the tab here. So basically, as you can see, like earlier I shared out, column A to column E are actually data from TMS raw data. Okay, and then the break date, we need to break the date from this B2, and then we convert it to become the date of day, month, year. Okay, and then this break the time from B2. Okay, and then we convert it to a more readable time by putting the semicolons on it. I hope this information helps on your training needs, and thank you very much for your time in listening to my training. Bye.